Yeah man, good day and welcome back my beautiful peeps. So today guys, it's today is Sunday, yeah man, thankful for the Father. Yeah man, you don't know me, I'm the great bush, huh? Yeah man, the great hunter outside, you seen peeps. So today, I'm bush alone there, you know. We have some things to show you now. We have a fire set up already guys, we have some chicken over there so. And we have a sauce and you seen. And me remember for the member alright as I stay guys, the river come down again, you know. Watch out. So the water look brown, come the river come down. Remember alright, that's how we couldn't walk on the gravel. Yes man peeps. So that guys, we get the chicken and season up because we haven't eaten it, just come from bud bush. You know, we just done shoot a couple bud, you know, we bag this morning. Yeah man. So we in the fourth weekend though. We in the fourth weekend guys, so here we go on. I line up the chicken and show you what I go on. And then we'll show to right. Come in peeps. Peeps, so we're outside though, you know? Yeah. Outside for the next banger. This one the pizza. I get the chicken cut up now. Go on part yeah. I use the machine. Yeah. We plant one good for a long time. Yeah. This one the pizza. Watch out. The machine clean. Yes man. So alone. So I just throw in guys. Yeah. So here we are going to just chop them in two. Get them clean up, chop them first and get them clean up after. The man great real bush cooking this guys. You see me? Real bush cooking. Alright, so I'm going to take care of the machine now because I'm going to mash up the head in the peeps, you see me? I don't know the machine to help you out a lot, you know. Alright, this can cut too. Yes guys, I don't know. We don't normally carry base so we don't come a bush, you know, so we will season up the thing them in the bag, so we'll try our best to make the sun go in there, you see me? Yeah man. Alright peeps, so I get the skin them clean off now. And I get them seasoned up. So come in. Peeps. So that fire blaze up. I don't know we are going to season up the chicken now. Guys, so meanwhile the cooler burn out. Don't know I get them seasoned up. So that will build a table. You see peeps? I have to improvise when you're in the bush, you know man. You see me? So I go on. Top up the chicken them. Then soak easy, yeah? Easy soaking them too. That is it my peeps. Tap them up. Alright, so that's supposed to be good. So now time to add the season, I think. Powder season. Small pot, guys. I don't want to overpower season them. Or they will kind of run funny thing, you know. I'll go on for this. Like the look part now, Rick, you know. I use a big pot and I use a big pot when I see it come out of the back. Come on my peeps. is it. Alright, so I put a little vinegar alone, guys. And I add no other seasoning to it other than the rub and the pepper sauce. And we'll carry 2 scotchy to back up, you know. Alright, so I don't know, guys, when me that come in, I get that cut in a bamboo slice, me just go on. So I do thing like this. Wow, the pepper sauce smells nice, peeps. Yeah man, this can also use as a dip, guys, isn't it? Mud Jamaica Adventures make this in the peeps. I want to say, I want to taste the pepper sauce, just link up, you know. We put some, I don't know, spare chili rub. Yeah man, and this peep them use on the jerk chicken them out when they come out in the peeps. Yeah man, peeps, so you see that now? So I'm going to go rub in that, you know. Rub in that, make everything come up. And go on. Thing there while the fire burn down, guys. Ay! Ah! Whoa, my finger. Whoa, my finger. Peeps, pepper gone in my finger. Alright, guys, so look at that. See how that look good? That is it, guys. So I'll make this go and stay, so go and marinate. You see me? One soaking in the juice there. Soaking into one of the juice. While the fire there, right, that's how burn down. You see me? Because you don't know the fire low. And we have the grill there, so guys, we washed off already. As I said, guys, the reason why the surrounding look like this, we never know so the river come down, guys. You see me? Look. See it? But we are cleaning it up back. Yeah man. See it? Be a trash and thing. See where the water walked there last night, guys. You see, oh, up there's a giant there's a thing there. Yeah man, the river come down. So anyway, peeps, bush, we have, as we say, we have a throw line, we have the worm them already. We have a tackle box there, so we have my rod there, so bush line up the line them, guys. So we make the chicken go and soak. If you go up on the grill, you see me make that bun look more to cool. So my peeps, so we have a windy day today. We have to start some my chicken them, you know. You see me? Chop on the stick. It's was so well hot in the man. Kasi pa yan, bun nung tutuwal. Also soak up, you know, get it. Yeah, man. So guys, the bush cooking this, you know. Bush there and I bush cooking. Yeah man, that's why they call him bush, you know. I'm gonna do everything I bush feed. I don't know. We are family, so you run their blood, you know. So I'm going to add gulay chicken on the fire and spread out the fire on the stove, you see me? Everything can get soaked even right through and through. Nothing na get left, but you know, look like everything can hold a piece. I'm not drop off by the sun. So anyway, that is it, peeps. And I go kind of cut out the fire now. Kind of cut out the fire, so. Organize the fire, you know. Yeah man, so what's the good this of it? Then go slow roast, peeps. Green, you know. Alright, so then go slow roast, right? So you see what I go on, peeps. So we do it, man. You see me? Cause remember, guys, doesn't say dinner cook a yard same way, but guys, you don't know our style and thing of this. I cooking this, you see me? Our day this, and we take the day for yourself. You don't know, as I say, guys. Shoot some bird this morning and thing. Yeah man, pleased with it. What? That bird pass as attack. Yeah, bush there now, we have a throw 2 line. Eat some chicken, some pepper sauce, drink some water. Today our Sabbath, guys. Don't we don't drink liquor on them day. You see me? So you don't know you outside. I show you what I want. When you catch a fish them too. Yeah man, see all the camera pin you on there. The water get clean in the bush, look. See it? Water get clear peeps and it go down. Water go down, cause now we can see the little patch. Only come on, they fully covered. All the bag them that we use and bar the river, guys. Cover up. Peeps, so I give chicken them one turn now. Wow, I get green look already. See that? That is it, man, piece. If you never try chicken this way, guys, you need to. You see me? Normally, I see them jerk it in a pan. But this, over the open fire, you see me? Yeah, man, a new way Jamaica adventures are going to try now. You need to try it, peeps. Bad, fully bad. Nice. No, I jump off now. I know how to go nice sun, peeps. Not at all. Won't be a nice seat. Be a sun in the night. Organize up the sun, you know? Organize up the sun in the belly bush. Be a sun in the night. Yes, one, peeps. So you want chicken to do. So look. Juice are rolling out of them. This is it. And everything I get fire still, but I get the fire upon it, guys, but don't know if I'm eating them a turn. See me? I'm so eating right through and through, you see me? My peeps, so see chicken them come along there. Yeah man, say next time you see we have video them in there, guys, and a belly them are going there. See what going? That is it. That is it, bush. My peeps, you don't know. Time to start them chicken now, no? So the piece of yes already now, guys, so add some more sauce to it. So go on. Yeah man, as I tell you guys, this can use as a dip, you see me? So that's it. Chicken leg. Peeps, you see that? Fully cooked shoe, no blood. That is it. Oh God, man. This is the life. If I kind of warm thing a piece, but thumbs up, you know? Bush, more ready now? Ready for more? You want pepper pint, sauce mate?
Already there.
This one.
Down there? This one already.
Yeah. Okay, I think go ahead. That is it. That is it, my peeps. I organize a piece more chicken. Yes, guys, so anyway, we are full up with face and now we just have chicken them. And we'll get to the fishing, you see me? Yeah, man. Full up with face of the chicken and we'll get to the fishing. My peeps, so time to start through to line now, you know? Yes, man. So, push this so. Go and go after peeps. So, hot doing, man. Pada macam sinok apik kepada. That's on the peeps, so acha. So agwan. This auto ate ano. So agwan no. Right, so make that one. Get the thing, you know? Still hungry idea. Hold him, Bush. Nice. Yeah, man, peeps. Big boss. Don't get right now. Big boy. Hold the people in front of the camera and show people tomorrow. Go on the push. Show people tomorrow. What's the side there, peeps? Show them. Yeah, man, that is it, peeps. You see me?
I'll put them on, so left the bag.
Alright, so yeah, we'll get a stick and shoot my fan. See bamboo over here.
They mash it.
See that or Masaya mong vlog, ano? Masaya sa sliding. Really jaggy man. Jiggy. Peeps, masih bos ka sa one time, masih bos yun. Nano kita agad eh. Wala. Adik dia mesti digging ka sa ano naman. Yeah man, as niya sa peeps. When we dig them hole, yeah, them look hole up on the bank in me there. Go on. Bait up water, you know, because we need to find some worm same time. So stick it over right over here. So you pop it, snap it up like. What? Bush, sorry. Take it. What bush?
Big boy, hold him, bring him up. Come bring him up.
Big one.
Don't make me get enough.
Hold him up, bush. Knock him out. Peace.
Yo,
Big
yo,
boy.
hold on.
Knock him out, bush. Knock him out. Peace is so shame. Conk him out. Big boy.
No, good enough.
You know good. Peeps, show peeps some more gun there. Hold him up in front of the camera. Peeps, hold it don't look a bit funny sir. Big boy, watch out. Hold in the bush. Watch out, peeps. Watch out. That's that. Big boy. Yeah man, the bush never go wrong. We'll go to a man full of belly first. I throw for 2 fish. You see me, peeps. And next week Sunday bush birthday guys, so you don't know where stack up. Mud cook out. You see me? Yeah, that all it. Show people how I go. People, watch out. Show him out. Hold him out, look a bit. DLH, you know. Watch out. If I'm serious, I'm gonna get ready now. Oh, the hook come off.
Boss.
Watch it, you see it guys?
Boss.
Come on, in the mode. Yeah. As you can see, sun is very hot. Right now, I left the rod up so set the rod and left it down. Caught about 3 fish already. And yeah man, they don't know the camera them that over it guys, because they don't know the sun and the camera plus the battery. I get extra heat than what it's supposed to get us in guys, so they don't know battery my overheat. So anyway guys, we not catch too much of the fishing now, but we are showing the fish when we're done, you see? And today we're not going to swim guys, because we're going the water to clear up, because we don't want to come down the water and you know, for arm we are not like that guys, because glass wash down the water, because you don't know the river come down, you see me? Only if a thing can in the river. So we can't see in the bottom part of the glass can in there, zinc can in there, bamboo can stick up in there, or go in there and turn it to you, see me? So we wait till it jar down again, then we'll dive it out again, take out with the night. But if you know guys, we're in September, that's a hurricane season in Jamaica, you see me? Yeah man, it's supposed to. And when I Gilbert birthday, you passed already? You gone already? No, it was the 12 peeps, yeah man. So we had a massive storm back in the days, you see me? We shook Jamaica where everybody have to remember all the birthday, you see me? So anyway guys, we're there. We are going to cool off. Right now my head hot me. Left rod, I sit down in the water and go and watch rod guys, you see me? Yeah man, anytime I see rod drop, I know it's a fish going on the line. So peeps, I'm showing you the catch. You don't know it's a boy Jamaica Adventures, you see me? You don't know any great one out. That is it, peeps. We can't bother, see it? Catch about a 2 pound size, half pound size. Yeah man, almost a pound. Can't ball peeps, we never put down in the river. A chicken will come around for us. Anyway guys, you don't know we outside like all the time. Remember like, share, subscribe. Remember guys, support the merch. Yeah man, see them there? Yeah man, go over to my store guys, buy something, you see me? So you don't know Jamaica Adventures, we out.